Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital wallets and tackling a question that's popped up a lot lately. Can you transfer money directly from Venmo to Apple Pay? Now, for those of you who live and breathe the mobile payment life, you know the convenience these services offer. Paying for that morning coffee, splitting the bill with friends, or snagging concert tickets, it's all a tap or two away. But with so many options, things can get confusing. Venmo, with its social twist, is a popular pick for casual transactions. Apple Pay, seamlessly integrated with your iPhone, is a powerhouse for in-store purchases. So, what happens if you need to move that cash between them? Can you bridge the gap and make that Venmo balance sing in your Apple Pay wallet? The short answer: unfortunately, at the moment, there's no direct way to transfer money from Venmo to Apple Pay. Both platforms operate within their own ecosystems, and a direct transfer isn't currently supported. But don't fret yet. Here's why. While a direct transfer might not be on the menu, there are still ways to get that Venmo money into your Apple Pay wallet. We'll explore a few options, each with its own pros and cons, so you can choose the best fit for your situation. Option 1. Transfer to your bank account, the classic move. This might seem like an extra step, but it's a reliable way to move your money. Here's how it works. Open the Venmo app and tap on your profile picture. Select Transfer Money and choose to your bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm your bank account details. Once the transfer is complete, which usually takes 1 to 3 business days, you can add those funds to your Apple Pay wallet. Here's how. Open the wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus symbol, in the top right corner. Select credit or debit card and follow the on-screen instructions to add your bank card. This links your bank account to Apple Pay. Pro: this method works for any amount and is generally safe and secure. Con: it takes additional time for the transfer to complete between Venmo and your bank, and then again to add the funds to Apple Pay. Option 2. Spend with Venmo MasterCard, Plastic Power. If you're a frequent Venmo user and crave a bit more spending flexibility, consider the Venmo MasterCard debit card. Here's the deal. Activate your Venmo MasterCard if you haven't already, available through the app. Once activated, you can use the physical card for in-store purchases or add it to your Apple Pay wallet for contactless payments. Pro: this gives you the versatility of using your Venmo balance directly, just like a regular debit card. Con: there's a $1 fee for ATM withdrawals and potentially a foreign transaction fee if you use it abroad. Plus, you'll need to wait for the physical card to arrive before using it. Option 3. Send money to a friend with Apple Pay, the social shuffle. This option works best if you trust a friend who uses both Venmo and Apple Pay. Here's the plan. Send the desired amount from your Venmo balance to your friend using the app. Have your friend send the same amount back to you using Apple Pay Cash. Pro: it's a relatively quick method if your friend is readily available. Con: it relies on someone else's involvement and might not be ideal for larger sums. Additionally, there might be fees associated with sending money on Venmo, depending on the transfer method. So, which option is best? It really depends on your situation. If speed is key, option 3 with a trusted friend could be a good choice. For larger sums or frequent use, consider the Venmo MasterCard. But for general transfers and peace of mind, the classic bank transfer method might be the way to go. Beyond the options. Remember, the world of digital payments is constantly evolving. There might be future updates or integrations between Venmo and Apple Pay that allow for direct transfers. Keep an eye on official announcements from both platforms for any developments. The final takeaway. While a direct transfer from Venmo to Apple Pay isn't possible yet, there are workarounds. Choose the option that best suits your needs and remember, convenience often comes with a few extra steps.